Hello everybody, my name is today, remember in my last video, I made a video called on 3 annoying fruits. Now today I thought if I could remake it and make a video on 3 tasty fruits, alright? First tasty fruit, of course, is again the banana, a bright yellow happy banana. Now that fruit actually, you may not know about the banana, is that it was actually introduced, people first found the banana a very long time ago. A very, very long time ago, and looking back then, it hadn't. It's very tasty. It's so sweet, and watching it grow through a time-lapse camera will be really satisfying, literally. I thought if, and the next fruit, yeah, is of course the watermelon. A watermelon is a very, it's a little tasty fruit. Now there's a little story. Let me tell you the story. Read you the story. Okay, guys, ready now? 3, 2, 1. A long time ago, there was a watermelon. It was a fruit. People first thought that it was yellow because it sounded like water, like lemon, but it's a little bit different. Watermelon, yeah, was actually, because it has the word melon, or so if you switch the L and the M, it would be lemon. And they thought water in that thing, trying to see in a picture lemon and what will make the water yellow, because they thought at first it was yellow, and then they saw in the picture that it wasn't. And first I saw that it was yellow, but not. Now the third favorite. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Alright. Now the third favorite fruit is the strawberry. No, not the strawberry. Is it the mango? No, the durian fruit. The durian fruit, yeah. If you don't know, it is like a little bit illegal to eat it on a plane because of that annoying smell. But trust me, that fruit is tasty. It's sweet. It's kind of like bananas. I'm not really sure, but a durian fruit looks like this, and yeah, and there's also the miniature moments whilst making a durian fruit is actually pretty amazing. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you later.